Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nurul Amalia, and today I would like to present an article entitled Improving Student Motivation in Learning English Through Gamification. This article was conducted by Arsila Amelia, Dian Inayati, and Arita Mariani. In this presentation, I will explain the study conducted by researchers, including the background, methodology, and finding. Okay, before I begin, let me briefly explain the outline of my presentation. This presentation consists of 5 main parts. First, I will discuss the purpose of the study. Second, I will explain the research design. Third, I will describe the research instrument. Fourth, I will explain the participant. And finally, I will present the result finding. My presentation will take about 10 minutes and will be happy to answer any question at the end. Background. Okay, let me start with the background of the study. During the COVID-19 pandemic, learning shifted from face-to-face learning to online learning, and our research student motivation decreased. Online learning often involved limited interaction and monotonous activities. Therefore, the researcher proposed gamification as a solution to overcome this problem. Purpose of the study. The purpose of the study is to improve student motivation in learning English through gamification in online learning setting. Concept of motivation. Motivation is a key factor in second language learner. There are 2 types of motivation. The first is intrinsic motivation, which comes for student internal desire to learner, and second is intrinsic motivation, which comes from external encouragement such reward of learning activities. Both types of motivation are important to support student learning success. Gamification is the ingredient of game element into learner activities. It's aimed to create a fun and interactive learning environment. Through gamification, students are encouraged to participate actively and stay motivated. Research design. This study use classroom action research, also known as CAR. The research was conducted in 2 cycles. A cycle consisted of 4 stages: planning, action, observation, and reflection. This design allowed the research to improve the teaching process based off the result of each cycle. Participant. The participants of this study were 36 graduate students from a private junior high school in Indonesia. Research instrument. To collect data, the research uses several instruments. These instruments include a motivation questionnaire, a classroom observation, and an off-cycle interview. These instruments were used to measure student motivation and learning behavior. Gamification platform. They were the gamification platform were used in this study, such as Kahoot, Quiz, Nerpad, Mentimeter, and Time to Club. This platform helped create an engaging and enjoyable learning experience. Nah, cycle 1 result. In the first cycle, student motivation began to improve. The classroom atmosphere became more active. However, participants was not evenly distributed, and some students were still passive. Reflection and improvement. Okay, based of the reflection in cycle 1, several problems were identified. The morning activities were too intense and students received too many assessments. Therefore, the researcher made improvements by designing more creative and relaxed learning activities in the next cycle. Okay, cycle 2 result. Nah, in the second cycle, the results show of significant improvement, and 100% of students reached high and very high level of motivation. Students become more active and enthusiastic, and the learning atmosphere was enjoyable. Okay, additional finding. Additional finding revealed that some students experienced speaking anxiety. They were afraid of making mistakes and feeling embarrassed. In addition, the home environment was not always fully supportive of online learning. Conclusion. To conclude, the study found that gamification successfully improved student motivation in learning English, increased a fun learning environment, increased student participation, and reduced burden during online learning. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. I will be happy to answer any question. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.